our centers for today. Red group, there's 5 rotations. So your first rotation is teacher table, grammar, read to self, word work, ABC phonics. Yellow group, ABC phonics, teacher table, grammar, read to self, word work. Green group, read to self, word work, teacher table, ABC phonics, and grammar. Blue group, teacher's book pick, read to self, listening center / computers, teacher table, and then listening center / computers. Purple group, listening center, teacher's book pick, read to self, listening center, and teacher table. I want to go over our teacher's book pick for our groups. Don't forget that you should be turning your work into the plastic bag when you're done, your completed work. For green, yellow, and red, all you need to do is pick one book, because you've already been reading the books all week. You need to pick one book and answer the question. What's the title of the story? What is the story mostly about? Why did the author write this selection? Did he write it to entertain, to persuade, to teach? How do you know? What information in the story lets you know why he wrote the selection? And then complete the sentences. In the beginning, this happened. In the middle, this happened. At the end, this happened. Green, yellow, or red? Do you have any questions? Ivana, question. You will. As Meg. I'm sorry, speak up. Yeah. Alright, so that will be for teacher's book pick. Again, for word work, long vowel sounds, using your long A sound. Alright, you have to fill in the word first. And then, you're not, Martin, your eyes are up here when I'm talking. I'm the speaker, your eyes are on me. When you write the word, you need to use it in a sentence. You're not rewriting the word right here, you're using it in a sentence. Do we understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And on the other side, you're not cutting, but you're sorting between plural and possessive. If I see Don's apple, is that going to be possessive or plural?
Possessive.
Possessive, okay? Does anyone have any questions about word work? Samaj.
So plural means one and possessive means more than one.
Plural means more than one, but remember possessive means ownership of. So if you see the word hands, down here at the bottom, we have the word hands.
Oh,
Is
that's
that
more than plural.
That's plural, but is it possessive?
No.
No, because we don't have our apostrophe. So, next. ABC phonics. The same thing. Oh, Martin, I don't like your choices right now. And if I see you up again, you're going to have to clip down because you're distracting other friends. Long vowel sounds with a long O. Okay, same thing. You're writing and then using the word in a sentence. On the other side, you're fixing the mixed up sentences. So you need to put the sentence in the correct order, starting with the capital letter, ending with the correct punctuation mark. Do we have a question about ABC phonics? Ian, question. You're fixing it. You're fixing the sentence. It's already written for you. You're just fixing it. Go on.
Capital letter is the first word.
Yep. That's an easy way to help yourself. Janaea. Then you have it wrong and you have to recheck it. Alright, I'm moving on. Next one, story questions. The same thing for long U sounds. You're writing the word out, using it in a sentence. On the back, conjunctions. You have to rewrite the sentence using a conjunction. Well, we know our conjunction conjunctions are so, and, but, or. So the sentence says, he wanted to play outside, it rained. How could I fix that sentence? Dejan, sweatshirt off. Ivana. He wanted to play outside, but it rained. Good. When I rewrote it, would I have a capital it, but it?
No.
No, right? Because we're getting rid of that period and we're putting the sentences together. Okay, Adriana, go ahead. And grammar. So, remember we're working on pronouns. Over here, our pronouns are we, they, she, he, or her. So the sentence is, Emily wore a new hat. I could rewrite that and say, I saw a blank new hat. I saw a blank new hat. How could I rewrite that sentence, Jawan?
I saw her with a new hat.
I saw her new hat. Nice job.
I saw her.
And on the back, who owns it? So, this blank hat is green and yellow. This girl hat is green and yellow. This girl's hat is green and yellow. Or this girl apostrophe S hat is green and yellow. Delana, which one? This girl hat is green and yellow? That doesn't make sense. Imani. Yes, thank you. Girl with apostrophe S. Nice job. Any questions about your centers before we get started?
No.
Janaya.
Are we coming to you for
Yes, you're on the rotation. All right, purple group, go to your center.